Okay, so before we get into LinkedIn Premium, let's go ahead and let's get over to you guys. If anyone's reaching out to me, what's going to happen is everything's going to show on the screen because we are live. So over here under your name, you can see how many business pages I have access to. So this is where you will access your business page. So I'm going to go ahead and go to our business page so you can see ours and not clients. And then you'll also see here that on the left side here, you can see this is your dashboard. This is where you will see your page posts, your analytics, just a little tour, your feed. And then as you see here, you have an edit page function. So this is where you can control your page info, your buttons, what you said is featured. I'm going to talk about that in just a second. Details, your interest in talent, if you have any. So there's all of these functions and features in here. And this is one of the things that they're doing is now LinkedIn has both a paid profile improvement and now a paid company improvement. So something that you might be interested in looking at, and that is really to help with lead generation for your business. Okay, so just a reminder, locations, as you can see here. And if your business is committed to certain things, you can see, you can add that in here. And then down here, you have events. And you can run events on LinkedIn. So one thing I do is I know I sit through webinars that are actually run through LinkedIn rather than Zoom. And I just open LinkedIn and I can sign in and watch it. So that's something that you can also think about as well. And you can see like today's is obviously one right there. And then I actually mentioned it to one of my staff. I'm like, how come we're not doing this? I didn't realize we weren't doing it. So I would recommend, especially if you're running events, especially for nonprofits, any kind of business, you put your events up here so that people can find them.